Hello friends, good evening. Today we are going to discuss about one of the strongest stock fundamentally and technically. So I'm going to discuss here how it is a fundamentally strong and technically strong. Before you are investing, you do your own analysis, because whatever I am going to invest, I am explaining you why I am investing and what is the strong in this. Why should we invest? So before investing, you also do your own analysis, and based on that you can invest. So Hindustan Petroleum Corporation, let us start. Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited engages in business of refining crude oil and sales of petroleum products. It operates through the downstream and other segment. The downstream segment deals with the refining and marketing of petroleum products. The other segment engages in the exploration and production of hydrocarbons, manufacturing sugar and ethanol. So Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited engaged in petroleum products and refining crude oils. The company was founded on July 5th, 1952, and it's headquartered in Mumbai. So it is engaged in the refining crude oil and petroleum products. So let us start with the fundamental analysis. We can see what and all it is engaged. So we can see here Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, market cap 39,400, current price 278, book value 268. That is bit lower than current value. It should be lower than current price, but not a problem. High and low price: high 163 and high 312. It is 291 today, and low 163. So dividend yield, you can see 8.19%, face value 10. ROE, return on equity 31.0, stock P, you can see 3.78, very cheap, we can invest easily. So ROC, return on capital employed 19.4%, and PEG ratio we can see here 0.21. So this is, we can see it is a really very good. So as we see the P ratio and all, this is really good. So price 277.75, it is yesterday, today it is trading 291. P ratio, as we see, 3.9. Sales margin day by day it is going up. We can see 72,491.49. GPM 9.7, OPM 4.41, NPM 2.76%. So let us come to the pros. Stock is trading at 1.03 times its book value. Stock is providing a good dividend yield 18.19%. Company has good return on equity, ROE, track record 3 years ROE 22.32. Company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout ratio 41.18%. Promoter holding has increased by 1.40% over has last quarter. So the company has a lot of pros. Cons, we can see the company has delivered a poor sales growth of 5.57 over past 5 years. Company might be capitalizing the interest cost. So there is some poor sales, poor growth, and might be capitalizing, company might be capitalizing the interest cost. They should not capitalize, but they are capitalizing. But as other than that, the stock looking very healthy. So peer comparison, we can see Reliance Industries, IOCL, BPCL, we can do the peer comparison. So now quarterly we can see the result consolidated figures in crores view standalone. Sales, we can see June 2021 72,491, March 74,905, quarterly amount in crores. So this is big difference, but that is fine, that is good only. Profit before tax, net profit, we can see 3,061, and June 2021 quarter it is a 2004, bit reduced, but not an issue due to some of the problems, but other things are good. Earning price share, earning price per share 14.30, last it is 21.02. Profit and loss account, we can see net profit, we can see the TTM March 2021 10,663, and TTM 10,414. It is very high net profit 10,663. You can see here. Earning price per share, like EPS 73.24, which is very good. Dividend payout 31%. Last it is 56, before it is 36. Dividend payout now 31%. Comparison sales growth, TTM 14%. We can see 10 years 5%, 5 years 6%, 3 years 2%. Compounded profit growth, TTM 108%, 3 years 14%, 5 years 18%, 10 years 20%. Stock price CAGR, 1 year 51%, 10 years 13%, 5 years 0%, and 3 years 3%. Return on equity last year 31%, which is the highest in this. Balance sheet, total asset and liabilities 1,34,166 crores. Cash flow, we can see the net cash flow March 2021 841 crores. Ratios, we can see ROCE 19%. So shareholding pattern we can see promoters 54.90, FIIs 17.84, DIs 16.28, public 10.98. So we can see that technically how it is. See, you can see here today it is gone up 4.99%, nearby 13.80 rupees, 85 rupees. So if you see the moving average, it is going upward trend, and it is formed green candles. So you have, you know, the what is the candle meaning, green candle, red candle, you can understand. I will take one more video for that. Tomorrow it will go red high only. You can see MACD and RSI. RSI 69.07. We can see here profit margins, and one second, we can see here profit margin in 2017, 3.31, in 2018 2.45, 2019 0.99, and 2021 20 4.59. How it is the more technical, we can see here performance last 1 year 57.79%, last 1 year. YTD yet to date 33.82%, and last 6 months 22.73%. last 3 months it's a negative 0.55. last 1 month it is 13.64, and 1 week 7.30. so we can see that technically now it is totally, it is showing a strong buy. You can see here last 1 days whatever the performance, if we see, it will be like strong buy. So I think better we can invest in this. As per me, it is a very healthy stock, so we can invest. Before you are investing, you do your own analysis, and based at your own risk you can invest. Thank you guys watching the video. If you have any doubt, queries, or any other stock analysis, if you want, you can tell me please, so I can analyze here. So thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Bye.